Hello. Hello. Today I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na Hope Azinuchi Azeri. Today we go talk about one topic wey dey scatter everywhere for internet. One topic wey be say everybody dey interested in. Wetin be the topic? If suckaway full, who suppose empty am? Na landlord or tenant? Plenty people don come my inbox come ask me this thing. Barrister, if suckaway full, who suppose empty am? Na landlord or na tenant? Today we go tell you. I go tell you who suppose empty am. First, I wan tell una say anything wey concern landlord and tenant, one na agreement first. Una know say landlord and tenant matter na normal contract, na normal business, and ordinarily law no dey chook mouth for wetin concern for where people don agree, except that on agreement get comma, law go come in straighten the agreement. Now normally for tenancy agreement, landlord and tenant dey agree who go do this one, who go do this one. So if landlord and tenant don agree say na landlord go empty suckaway fit full, na landlord go empty am. If dem agree say na tenant or tenant, depending on how many people dey the house, go empty am, know say na the tenant go empty am. But where dem no agree at all, there is no agreement, una no chook mouth, una no put mouth for who go empty this thing, law talk say na tenant go empty am. E shock you? If suckaway full where landlord and tenant no agree on who go empty am, law talk say na tenant go empty am. Section 34 sub 2 of Rivers State Landlord and Tenant Law talk say anybody wey dey generate waste, na that person go pack that waste. Anybody wey dey generate dirty, wetin this law mean be say if Mr. A dey generate dirty, na Mr. A go pack am, no be Mr. B go pack am. So that section 34 sub 2 of that Rivers State Landlord and Tenant Law talk say anybody dey generate waste, una know say anything wey dey enter inside suckaway na waste. So that law talk say anybody dey generate that waste, na that person go pack am. That one na one law wey back up say if suckaway full, na tenant go pack am. Another law wey support this thing wey I dey talk na section 28 sub 1 of the Rivers State Environmental Protection Agency Law 1999. This law still dey talk say anybody wey dey generate waste, anybody wey dey, just like say you go, you chop some, you chop mineral, this one, that one, come, hey, this one, that one, all those wey dey generate, na you go pack am, na you go clean am, na you go throw am. So this law dey support say anybody dey generate waste, that way dey enter suckaway, shit, piss, all those yamayama wey dey enter inside suckaway na waste, and as na waste, anybody dey generate am, na him go pack am. So if, for example, if na compound wey be say landlord no dey stay there, na only ten ants dey stay there, and the ten ant go pack, go empty the suckaway. But if the landlord and the ten ant dey stay for the same compound, na two of them go empty am. Anybody wey dey use am go follow empty am. Na so e be, na so law talk am for Rivers, and I believe say na so e dey for other states too. If landlord no dey stay there, na ten ant go empty am. If landlord and ten ant dey stay there, na landlord and ten ant go contribute money empty am. So now you don know say anybody wey dey generate waste, anybody wey dey bring out waste, na that person go clear the waste, and shit and piss, everything wey dey enter inside suckaway na waste. Thank you. You wey dey watch my video, when you watch share, no dey watch my video dey keep am to yourself. E no good, e no dey encourage me. Watch and encourage me. Thank you and God bless.